Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 350 Chevrolet 440 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1987 IROC Z. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We have the late model 4-bolt main block, one-piece rear main seal, double roller timing chain in there, brand new balancer, correct water pump for the 87 IROC. Aluminum cylinder heads are on there. All the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. It's real nice Chevrolet valve covers with the matching air cleaner. You have the thermostat housing on there with the extra coolant ports on there if needed. Thermostats in there. Aluminum intake manifold. Customer's getting the Holley Sniper EFI fuel injection on there. Throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. You have the HEI distributor in there set in place. Correct oil pan, Taylor ignition wires, American made, all the wire markers are on there. The Holley Sniper EFI will be fully tuned and tested. All the adjustments all set on the menu screen, ready to go. So it'll be all plug and play. Every engine is live run. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand. All the readings, manifold vacuum, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature. So there you have it. This is our 350 440 horsepower Holley Sniper fuel injection engine ready to go. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.